Hello, I'm Peter Licorinas, and I've been helping property investors make the most of their money, make their money go as far as possible for over 12 years. Having been in property for 23 years, my specialties include knowing where to invest and when, what properties to buy and why, getting it for the right price, working with the right strategy, having it fully rented out and making as much money as possible, making the yields and the return on investment as high as possible for the investor. We specialise in luxury HMOs, properties where we add significant value, we get really high rentals, high returns, and the yield, the income, the profit for the investor is absolutely incredible. I'm delighted to launch our 2 new brochures. The first one all about where we invest for our investors and why, looking at some of the best areas to invest in the UK. And the second one all about our services, how we operate, how we work, why we're the best portfolio building company in the UK, why more property investors have come to us in 2020 than any other year. Okay, carefully investing their money for the best returns, not just in the short term, because that's important, but also in the long term, in areas where over the next decade property prices would double. And it's all in here. Please download our brochure, find out what we're all about, okay, how we can help you. Okay, they're really excellent brochures. That takes you through the process of exactly what we do and how we do it, and how we can work with you and how we can make your money go further than you ever even imagined. So please, Peter Licorinas, okay, download our free brochures, and you never know, hopefully I'll see you in the future.